Hello, and thank you for choosing the Legacy Lawyers as your source of information. We know this might be a difficult time you're going through, but we are here to educate you and help you through the process. Please stay tuned for our question and answer portion.
Good morning, Erin.
Good morning, David. How's your day going?
Very nicely.
Very nice. I see your tie. You look pretty spiffy today with that.
You know, this is a very old school tie. It's an old tie, but it still has some value.
Has some tie life into it?
Yes, it does.
Okay. So for this week and the next few weeks, we've been talking about wills and will contests, specifically in California. So if someone in my family saw my will and didn't like it, can they contest it in court?
Okay. So I'm going to assume a couple things. I'm going to actually answer this in two parts. One is they can't contest it in court while they're alive. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So the will is simply a statement of intent. Take it or leave it, It's my intent as I sign this document. I'm still alive. I still have the power to change the will as I please. I have the power to revoke this will during my lifetime. I have the power to create a trust, which would get rid of the need for a will if I put all my property in the trust. So with all of these uncertainties and the ability for things to change, I've seen wills go through 7 versions before the final one. The pre-death will contest is not something the court's going to entertain. There are other mechanisms in which someone can ask the court for relief for a document that was procured through a bad act during the person's lifetime, but that's not really a common case. So if someone in your family sees your will, they didn't like it, and now you're deceased, then they can file a will contest, so long as they have standing, so long as they are of a significant enough familiar relationship to otherwise benefit from the estate, or they had some sort of beneficial interest in the prior document, or some other basis to take if the will was voided. So they can do all that, which is the whole sort of scope of will contest after you're deceased. Before you're deceased, it's limited, and with the presumption that you can change your will any time, it really doesn't do any good to contest a will while you're alive. Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And if you guys have any additional questions, feel free to email us at smm@thelegacylawyers.com. Have a great day.